Oh, that's a fish. It's a fish. What's going on, everybody? It's BigWrig Outdoors. Today for a spring snowstorm fishing special, right? This is like Pennsylvania's like third winter and fourth spring. But yeah, it is absolutely beautiful. Look at all this. I couldn't resist not bringing you guys out here for a fishing session. Today we're out on the Pickering Creek for the late harvest. This Saturday, March 12th, 2022. I'm hoping we catch a few fish today. If not, it is what it is. And I'm just glad to be out in this beautiful weather, this beautiful environment. It's very rare we get storms like this and it's so late in the season. So yeah, at any point in time, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. And let's get straight to the fishing. Let's see how these fish in this hole, though, they do get. That's fish. That's a fish. There we go. First fish of the day, guys. First fish. What is it? Oh, rainbow, but he got off. Nice. They're in here. Ow. Nice, nice, nice. First bite of the day, guys. I'm gonna go upstream before I go downstream. I'll go upstream to this first. That log up there. I'll see it up there. I'm up here. This slack hole. See if anything will on the bite. There he is. Nice one too. Nice one. Nice one. Where's my net? Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, please don't come off. Please don't come off. Please, please, please. All right, yes. Woo. All right, folks. First fish of the day. Nice 12, 13 incher rainbow here. A little spunky. I'm surprised I caught a rainbow, dude. With that kind of jigging action here. Look at how beautiful he is. I want to get him in the water before he freezes. I guess no underwater release footage today, but he needs that, right? Hi guys, first beautiful trout here in this winter wonderland here, huh? Absolutely gorgeous. Let's get this guy back in the water. See you later, buddy. Oh, that's a fish. It's a fish. Oh, I thought that was a snack. Oh, big brown. Big brown. Big brown. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Wow. Wow. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Nice, beautiful 14-inch brown trout here. Let's try to get him unhooked and in the water as soon as possible. Look at him. Look at him. Look at that background. And then look at him. Got the nice blue in his eyes too. Hi buddy. Thanks. There he goes. Woo. Holy crap, guys. That was hard. The water is so deep right now. It's ridiculous. Alright. Oh, that's a fish? Oh shit. Second cast. Like a fish? There he is. Okay. Alright. Nice brown, nice brown, nice brown. Calm yourself. Calm yourself. Goosewaba. Goosewaba. Okay. I know. You're just a wee little spunky boy. You're just a wee little spunky boy. Nice little brownie. Little brown trout here. I'm letting him back in the water. Here there, buddy. There he is. Bite. Miss. Bite. Got him. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Oh yeah, that's a good bow. That's a good bow. That's a good one. That's the best of today, I think. Oh wow. Come on. Chill. Shh. Look at that beautiful 14-incher there. Good slime all over it. There you go. See you later, little buddy. Ooh, there he goes. Alright, let's keep this going. These fish are fired up. Fired up, dude. Dead again. There he is. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another nice bow. In the net, buddy. We got 14, 15-incher there. There he is. Absolutely beautiful. I'm getting back as soon as I can. Alright guys. Snow's picking back up again, but oh well. Alright guys. Down on my last battery here. But I missed a bite because my battery literally died as I was getting a bite. Like, come on. There he is. Got him that time. What's another nice... Oh my god, look at the colors on this rainbow. Wow. Alright, chill. Boom. The edge of the mouth. Came right out. Come on. Relax. Look how gold and yellow this rainbow is. That's a really pretty one. Alright, buddy. Thank you. There's a bite. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Another beautiful bow. Come here. Oh, short. Oh my god. Another fish on the release. And there it goes. Alright guys, I'm back. Just re-tied on. Cleared off a whole bunch of ice out of my rod. All my lines freezing up. Starting to get to be about that time, but I do want to hit a few more holes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk up this side, hit a couple of the holes from this side of the bank. Yep, there's another one. There's another one. Just gotta really hang out down there. There's another cool looking rainbow, man. These bows look really nice. Come on. Look at that, right? In the top of the mouth. It's like a circle hook's supposed to. Well, the circle's supposed to get the corner, but you are wrapped up all kinds of fucked up. Nice beautiful rainbow here, guys. Look how purple his cheek is, huh? Look at that. See you later, buddy. Water is actually way warmer than the air, so it surprisingly feels a little warmer than the air when I stick my hand in there, but it does want to freeze. Yep, there he is. Oh, hey, that's a decent one too. Oh, no. Whatever, I touched him though. I touched him. That's all that matters. That was fucking awesome. Oh, hey. He's like, wait a second. I'm not hooked anymore. I'm free! I'm free! The Joker took off like a rocket ship. What's going on, everybody? It's BigWrig Outdoors. This concludes today's fishing session. I'm getting cold, I'm wet. I'm pretty much just wet. That's what's driving me to get cold now. But I couldn't pass up the opportunity to fish on such a wonderful and beautiful day. I mean, it's March 12th. It's rare we get these spring snowstorms. And yeah, it's been great. At any point in time in this video, if you like it, please smash that thumbs up button. Please consider subscribing and comment down below. Thoughts, feelings, concerns. This feels like a winter wonderland to me right now. I'm so happy right now. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully it'll be a little bit warmer. All right, see ya. Peace.